Hey guys, how is it going? It's Dmitry here. Guys, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about a string padding functionality. Essentially it's a method, right? And it definitely can be used in case of when you working with strings in JavaScript. So guys, it's quite a simple functionality, but can be quite handy in some cases. And I will show you some multiple examples. So guys, okay, so essentially if you would like to use this string padding functionality, you can use two different methods. The first one is called padStart and the second one is called padEnd. So guys, and I already defined a really basic example here. I'm defining my surname and the first name, and essentially in this case surname, it's a string, right? And I'm saying I'm just applying this padStart method to the string and define for, right? And what does this for stands for, right? So essentially in case of when I say for, it means for symbols it's going to be a length of this string, right? When this padStart was applied, right? After applying this padStart. So, and let's check it out, guys. What will happen? But again, you can see that padStart. So that's the idea of this padStart. When you specify padStart, and it's just going to be opposite to padEnd, right? Method. It's going to give you in this case this empty space at the beginning of this string. So it's going to be space and then key, and overall it should be Dmitry key with space between these two strings, right? Okay guys, let's see if it's the case. Here we go, guys. That's essentially how this padStart works, right? So guys, and now I would like to define another example with padEnd. Okay, let's define here just going to be completely opposite, right? Redefine first name here, and I'm going to say first name, then I'm going to say padEnd, and let's calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to define eight symbols, right? And I define 8 here. It means the 8th one is going to be empty space, right? And then I'm going to use plus in order to concatenate this expression with key. So and essentially it should be the same kind of string, right, as we came up with in case of when we use padStart. Okay, let's run it. Here we go, guys. So and that's how we're using padEnd, guys. So guys, I also would like to show you another example when this kind of functionality can be utilized in the real world. Okay, I'm going to define, okay, I'm going to comment this one, and I'm going to say const number and equal to 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to use console.log in order to log out our final example, and I'm going to say number dot padEnd, and inside I'm going to specify 6, and I'm going to use math functionality. It's a standard JavaScript functionality. Dot random and I guess that's it. So guys, random basically so this expression essentially it's a standard JavaScript expression. It's going to give you random numbers from 0 I believe to 1. So and let's see what will happen in this case. So obviously I would like to come up with random numbers when I run this expression over and over again. Okay, padEnd. Okay, so because it's not a string, right? Okay, let's run it now. Here we go, guys. So these strings, and again, the result is string, right? That's why, because before I specify a number, it just failed, right? Because you know, this padEnd, padStart, they work only with strings. Here we go, guys, and that's how we're receiving randomized strings. And essentially later on we can transform it back to number, you know, so which is pretty cool, I guess. In some cases it can be utilized, I guess. And let me know, guys, if you have any questions. And like, I think in general it's quite straightforward functionality. And again, just, you know, remember that it exists and that you can use it, and definitely you can implement it or utilize it in some cases, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please like this tutorial if you like it. Please subscribe, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you in the next tutorial, guys. Goodbye.